Hi, I'm Li Xian, and I'm the one who's going to present this PowerPoint. So I'm from Group 10 for this IT project management. So with my group mate Muhammad Nabi bin Muhammad Wahid, Rizky Shaputra, me, Li Xian, and also Guo Xiang Chiu. So our main objective is to build a smart hospital application by using the mobile apps, web apps with this machine learning and artificial intelligence which can make doctors or nurses improve their efficiency for saving more life. So these are the team members who contribute to this project. So what is this smart hospital all about? Where will this project be? Why are we doing this? How are we going to implement this? Who will be beneficial to this project? To answer the first question, what is this smart hospital all about? Is aimed at creating a single IT environment composed of automated specialists and auxiliary process through cloud computing service with the machine learning method and the artificial intelligence. This will help to improve the accuracy of each patient data, reduce human error and workforce, and also have a complete data traceability. So next question, where will this project be? Of course, for all the hospital and every single clinic are welcome. So why are we doing this? Because we found several serious problems that have in existing hospital system, which is lack of real-time situation management, ineffective internal communication, lack of system interoperability, and also information overload, security problem, and last but not least, the non-transparent data. How are we going to implement this? Therefore, we built this smart hospital system, which consists of 10 principles of it, as shown as below. First is the efficiency, the quality improvement, attention to personal data, expansion of patient capabilities, improving the relationship between patient and the medical organization, continuing education and professional development through information technology, realization of safe data exchange, expansion of healthcare system or framework, ethical standards, and also accessibility for everyone. So who will be beneficial to this project? Basically, everyone. Yes, you hear me, it's everyone. So these are the benefits that our system can provide or serve. First is the patient engagement. Next is the streamlining communication. Coming out is the workflow optimization, patient notification, hospital asset tracking, and leveraging data analytics. So following up is the project charter for our smart hospital system. Our project manager, which is Rizky Shaputra, and we plan to start having this project from the 1st of June till the end of this year, which is 31st of December. Rizky will develop a detailed cost estimate for the project and report, and issue a request for the code to obtain hardware and the software for this project. He also requests help from internal staff as much as to plan, analysis, and installation of this system. These are the roles and responsibility of each of us. Let me introduce our CEO, Mr. Muhammad Najib bin Wahid. He is mainly in charge of having sponsorship, and he also need to feedback to customer about how the project is going. Me will also monitor the project according to the Gantt chart provided by Rizky. According to project, I will also need to outsource looking for talented engineer or staff. For Mr. Rizky Shaputra is our project manager who mainly plans and execute the project. According to Gantt chart, he will ensure everyone knows what needs to be done every week. So for Mr. Guo Xiangqiu is our Director of Information Technology Operation. He will need to mentor risky and also make sure the analysis, design, planning, implementation, maintenance of all aspects of the IT development. Mr. Nanto is our VIP human resource who handle our staff and issue memo to all the employees. If you need a raise, he's the one who you are looking for. This is the work breakdown structure Gantt chart for this smart hospital project. So as you see, everyone will know what they need to be done from every week. So you can also follow this link to get a complete Gantt chart from 1st of June till 31st of December. How do we build this system? We are using software based like PHP Laravel framework. For the mobile application, we are using Flutter and Dart. And we are using Python for the machine learning and the artificial intelligence. So for all this coding, we are using Arduino Studio and the Visual Studio, also the Sublime Text and the Oracle database for the coding part. So based on this smart hospital system, you can refer to this table below to ensure the lead time of the project able to be met. So for this developer or the team, we require a project manager, at least 1 to 2 business analysts or the UI designer. For the web and mobile developer, we need at least 3 to 5 engineers for this part. And for the Python developer, we need at least 2 to 4. So this is our BMC, which also called the business model canvas. So for our key partners will be the hospital, private hospital or the public hospital. We're also using machine language for this smart hospital system. For the activities, right, we'll build the system for the consultation, registration pension, and also the database pension and the doctors. So this will be categorized in the production system, apps, and problem solving. So for the value proposition, the smart hospital is the IT environment system for helping the hospital to manage, control their system and data. The transparent and easy to register and consultation by using our system. So for the key resource will be our hospital. There are also different kind of resources like the human resource, system, patient, and doctor. So for the customer relationship, we can improve by having some discount and promotion, and also you can having a membership to the hospital and also the affiliate. So we also can using or improve our reputation by using social media, some TV news, and also have advertising video in the hospital. So basically our customer segment will be hospital, patient, doctor, and nurse. So based on our cost structure, we will having a development fee, server fee, and also maintenance fee. So our main revenue stream will be from service sales, consultation service sales, the maintenance sales, and also the development of the system. So these are the reference for the PowerPoint. So that's all from us. Thank you.